Sitting right on Nissi Avenue in the heart of Ayia Napa, the Anmaria Beach Hotel and Spa is one of those four-star spots in Cyprus that tries to strike a balance between the buzzy holiday vibe of the town and the laid-back beach lifestyle that draws people to the island in the first place. With around 43 rooms, it is a smaller, more intimate property compared to the giant resorts you might find further along the coast, and that alone gives it a different flavor. Reviewers on Booking.com have handed it a respectable 7.6 out of 10, while TripAdvisor guests land it at a 3.9, which paints the picture of a place that most people enjoy but a few find hit or miss. Let us dig into what actually makes staying at the Anmaria tick, starting with the rooms themselves. Every room at the Anmaria comes with a private balcony, and depending on where your room sits in the building, that balcony might look out over the pool area, the surrounding streets of Ayia Napa, or in the better-positioned rooms, a slice of the Mediterranean glistening in the distance. Inside, guests get the essentials done right without any over-the-top extras. A television, a comfortable seating area, and a private bathroom that comes with either a bath or a walk-in shower depending on the room. Free toiletries, a hairdryer, and Wi-Fi throughout the property round out the standard package, and the Wi-Fi in particular has earned an 8.1 rating on Booking.com, which is a strong score in a country where hotel internet can sometimes be patchy. The layout of the rooms leans functional and comfortable rather than showy, which is exactly what most working travelers actually need on a beach holiday. While the hotel has not published a detailed breakdown of every room category on an official website, guest reports and booking listings suggest a mix of standard doubles, family-friendly options, and rooms with better views for those willing to spend a bit more. Families typically appreciate the balcony space for airing out swim gear and unwinding in the evening, while couples tend to gravitate toward the quieter rooms tucked away from the pool area. The property does not appear to be adults only, so travelers with kids can book comfortably, and the compact size of the hotel means you are never walking miles down endless corridors just to find your door. There is no fancy smart tech app or in-room tablet system here, but honestly, in a spot like Ayia Napa, most people are outside enjoying the sunshine rather than fiddling with room automation. Dining at the Anmaria centers around Climataria Restaurant, the on-site eatery that handles breakfast and generally serves as the main hub for guests looking to eat without leaving the property. The breakfast has scored around 7.2 on Booking.com, which is a solid middle-of-the-road result, and guests frequently mention that the food is good, with plenty of variety to get the day started. The restaurant leans into a mix of international dishes and Mediterranean staples, which fits the crowd of visitors from all over Europe who flock to Cyprus each summer. It is not fine dining, and no one is pretending otherwise, but it does the job well and gets consistent nods for its friendly service and reliable quality. The on-site bar rounds out the food and drink offering, providing cocktails, local beers, wines, and soft drinks in a relaxed setting that many guests enjoy either poolside or during the evening. Given the hotel's position right on Nissi Avenue, guests who want more variety can easily stroll into the center of Ayia Napa, where dozens of restaurants serve everything from traditional Cypriot meze to Italian pizza, Indian curries, and burgers by the beach. The proximity to town is really one of the Anmaria's biggest advantages when it comes to eating well, because you are never more than a short walk from a proper meze feast. Still, having a decent restaurant and bar back at the hotel means you have a solid fallback for those nights when you cannot be bothered to go out. Pool lovers will find plenty to enjoy at the Anmaria, thanks to the fact that the hotel offers both an outdoor and an indoor pool. The outdoor pool is the main gathering spot during the warm Cyprus days, surrounded by sun loungers where guests can bake themselves to a golden shade of brown while catching up on holiday reading. The indoor pool, meanwhile, is heated and gets particular praise from guests visiting in the cooler months, when the outdoor water is a bit too brisk for comfort. Reviewers frequently mention how nice it is to have that warm indoor option, which really extends the usefulness of the hotel outside of the peak summer window. This dual pool setup is a genuine plus that many similar-sized hotels in the area simply do not offer. When it comes to the beach, the Anmaria is located along Nissi Avenue with easy access to the coast, and the famous Nissi Beach itself sits roughly 2 kilometers away. Nissi Beach is one of the most iconic stretches of sand in Cyprus, known for its shallow turquoise water, golden sand, and lively atmosphere that draws crowds of holidaymakers every summer. Guests can either walk, grab a quick taxi, or hop on one of the local buses that shuttle between the hotel zone and the main beach areas. Closer to the hotel, there are also smaller stretches of coastline that are less busy and often preferred by guests looking for a quieter swim. Water sports options along the Ayia Napa coast are plentiful, including jet skiing, banana boat rides, parasailing, and paddleboarding, though these are handled by independent operators rather than the hotel itself. Beyond the pools and the beach, the Anmaria puts real effort into keeping guests active with a fitness center that is surprisingly well equipped for a hotel of its size. The gym includes standard cardio and weight equipment, but it also throws in some more unusual features like aqua bikes, a hot tub, a steam room, and even a cryosauna, which is not something you find in every four-star resort. That cryosauna in particular is a fun surprise, offering guests the chance to try out cold therapy that has become popular with athletes and wellness enthusiasts over the past few years. Whether you are actually into hardcore recovery or just curious to see what standing in a freezing chamber feels like, it is a nice extra to have on site. Sports options extend beyond the gym as well, with tennis available for guests who want to knock a ball around under the Cyprus sun. There is also a games room on the property, which typically features billiards and offers a fun way to pass the time during hotter afternoons or lazy evenings. Entertainment staff at the hotel come up frequently in TripAdvisor reviews, with many guests specifically praising them for keeping the atmosphere lively and welcoming without being over the top. This kind of soft entertainment programming, which sits somewhere between organized activities and general good vibes, adds a lot to the overall guest experience. For those interested in cultural or educational outings, the surrounding town of Ayia Napa offers museums and historic sites within easy walking distance. The spa and wellness angle is a big part of the hotel's branding, hence the name Anmaria Beach Hotel and Spa, and guests will find a decent range of wellness-oriented facilities to unwind after a day in the sun. The steam room offers a classic way to relax sore muscles and clear the sinuses after too much salty sea air, while the hot tub provides bubbling warmth for those long, slow soaks that make holidays feel worth it. The cryosauna mentioned earlier also fits in nicely with the wellness theme, appealing to guests curious about detox trends and modern recovery techniques. Yoga, meditation, and other structured wellness programs are not heavily advertised as fixed offerings, but the general environment lends itself well to personal wellness time. Guests who really want to lean into the spa experience can also find plenty of massage and treatment options in Ayia Napa itself, with several dedicated spas and beauty centers within walking distance. This creates a nice combination where you can enjoy the on-site wellness facilities for the free-flowing steam, sauna, and pool routine, then step out for a specialty massage or facial at a nearby spa if you want something more tailored. That flexibility works well for travelers who like to mix and match rather than being locked into a single resort's treatment menu. Overall, the wellness setup at the Anmaria strikes a good balance between having enough to relax on site and being connected to a broader wellness scene in town. Because the Anmaria welcomes families as well as couples and solo travelers, kids typically find plenty to keep them entertained during a stay. The pools are a natural magnet for younger guests, and the heated indoor pool is particularly helpful for families visiting during cooler months when little ones might not want to brave the outdoor water. The games room provides an indoor option during those hotter parts of the afternoon when parents want their kids out of the sun, and the entertainment staff mentioned by so many guests often help create a welcoming atmosphere for younger visitors. While the hotel does not run an elaborate branded kids club, its smaller size means staff often go the extra mile in a more personal way. Beyond the hotel itself, Ayia Napa is a paradise for families with children, offering a wide range of attractions that easily fill an entire holiday. The Water World Water Park sits about 19 kilometers from the hotel and is one of the most popular family attractions on the whole island, featuring themed slides, wave pools, and other splashy fun. Sculpture Park and Love Bridge, both around 2 kilometers away, offer photo opportunities and easy scenic walks that work well for families with older kids. Parents will also appreciate that the hotel is not perched in some isolated corner, but rather within easy reach of ice cream shops, restaurants, and plenty of activity options that keep everyone happy. The location of the Anmaria is arguably its single biggest selling point, and reviewers on TripAdvisor have rewarded it with a 4.5 out of 5 for exactly this reason. The center of Ayia Napa is only about 450 meters away, meaning guests can walk to shops, restaurants, and the buzzing nightlife scene in a matter of minutes. The Ayia Napa Monastery, one of the most historic buildings in the region, sits just 900 meters away and is well worth a visit for its old stone architecture and quiet inner courtyard. The Thalassa Museum, also about 900 meters from the hotel, offers a look at the maritime history of Cyprus and is a great cultural stop for a rainy day or a break from the beach. Shopping and dining options are abundant throughout Ayia Napa, from tourist-friendly boutiques and souvenir shops to supermarkets where guests can grab snacks and drinks for a day at the beach. Larnaca International Airport is around 35 kilometers away, which makes transfers relatively quick and easy compared to some other Mediterranean destinations. The overall geographic setup means guests get the best of both worlds, a lively holiday town on one side and beautiful beaches on the other, with the hotel sitting almost dead center between them. It really is hard to beat this location for someone who wants a full Ayia Napa experience without renting a car. Taking everything together, the Anmaria Beach Hotel and Spa offers a solid 4-star experience with clear strengths and a few soft spots worth mentioning. Guests consistently praise the location, the warm indoor pool, the friendly staff, and the surprisingly well-equipped fitness area with its unusual cryosauna feature. Cleanliness scores well on TripAdvisor at 4.2, and the general atmosphere gets rave reviews from travelers who love the mix of comfort and easy access to town. However, not every review is glowing, and some guests have mentioned issues like tired carpets in the corridors or maintenance details that fall short of the 4-star label. These divergent reports suggest the guest experience can vary based on room assignment and time of visit. What makes the Anmaria stand out from other options in Ayia Napa really comes down to a few unique selling points. First, the combination of indoor and outdoor pools is unusual for a hotel this size, giving guests year-round swimming options. Second, the fitness center punches well above its weight with features like the cryosauna, aqua bikes, and steam room that you would normally expect at a much larger resort. Third, the location on Nissi Avenue is genuinely excellent, sitting within walking distance of both the town center and the coastline. Add in the friendly entertainment team, the free private parking, and the games room, and you get a hotel that offers real value for the money. While the Anmaria is not primarily marketed as a business or conference destination, its function spaces can accommodate small gatherings, meetings, or private events, which makes it suitable for boutique-style corporate visits or family celebrations. The intimate scale of the hotel means groups get personalized attention rather than being lost in a giant convention crowd. This makes it a decent option for reunions, small workshops, or destination gatherings that want to combine business with a bit of Mediterranean sunshine. When it comes to guest experience highlights, the moments that stand out at the Anmaria almost always involve the staff. Time and time again, reviewers mention how the entertainment team goes out of their way to make guests feel welcome, remembering names, striking up conversations, and generally setting a warm tone that lingers long after checkout. The heated indoor pool consistently earns emotional shout-outs from guests who arrived expecting a beach holiday and ended up loving their unexpected morning swims. The proximity to Nissi Beach, the friendly bar service, and the reliably tasty breakfast all get called out repeatedly in reviews as small but memorable pleasures. For travelers looking for a well-located, comfortable, and welcoming base in Ayia Napa, the Anmaria Beach Hotel and Spa delivers a genuinely enjoyable Cyprus experience that keeps guests coming back year after year. For checking booking availability and prices at your desired dates, you can use the link in description. I hope this video was helpful. Give it thumbs up, subscribe for more travel-related content. If you are not ready to book this hotel, you can watch our best hotels playlist and choose the best one for you. Thanks for watching.